Hey, what's up? Tyler with More Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to do a quick playthrough of Let You Go by Kinshii. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. So for this song, you're going to have your capo on the 1st fret in standard tuning. We're going to be playing these open chords. They're just like power chords. So like open 2-2, 3-5-5. 5-7-7, 8-10-10, and 7-10-10. So those are the chords you'll be using. This is how it sounds with the song. It's just those chords the whole time. You'll figure it out.